Hey guys, this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a ton of dice rolls Monopoly Go, no job or computer needed. So let me just show you guys what's going on my account, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So this actually works, guys. It's super insane. So let's just wait for it to load right here, and you guys will see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, guys, I'm super rich, and I'm going to show you guys how to be rich just like me. No jailbreaker computer is needed for this video, guys. It actually works. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. As you can see, what the heck, bro, it actually works. So let's go in and get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So yeah, it's super insane. You can see I can destroy everybody, guys. It doesn't even matter. It actually works. So yeah, it's super cool, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So yeah, let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get rich. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So what you need, you guys, is go over to this website. I'm going to show you guys. It's super cool. It's called monorolls.net, all right? So I'm going to show you guys the site, all right? So, yeah, it's super cool. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys this. So as you can see, here's the site, monorolls.net. So once you're on this site, guys, what you want to do is just go ahead and choose how much money in dice rolls you want to add to your account. So I'm going to just go ahead and do that right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose the max because I'm greedy, but you can do whatever amount you want. Then once you do that, guys, we're going to be asked for our username, whether we're using an iPhone or an Android. So I'm going to just go ahead and throw in my username right here. And then all we have to do, guys, is go ahead and press proceed. And now we're just going to be asked to confirm our generation selection. And we're just going to go ahead and press generate. So anyways, now it's going to load. So let's just give it a second to go ahead and load here. As you guys can see, so I'm just going to let it do a thing here. As you guys can see, all right, just give it a second. So anyways, guys, once it is done, we are going to have to do a verification. So all we have to do, guys, is go ahead and press verify. We just need to download some apps, complete the instructions. They're from the App Store, guys, so they're totally free. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this right here. So as you can see, there's a ton of apps. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So all you got to do is download 2 of them, guys. It's pretty simple. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this right here. As you guys can see, it says complete 2 more offers. You just go ahead and do that. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this right here, as you guys can see. All right. So I'm just go ahead and download the first one. So while it's downloading, guys, I'm going to go ahead and go back on this list of apps and download another app. So you just want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps, guys, and you're going to be all set. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this right here, as you guys can see. All right. And I'm going to download another one. All right, so let me just go ahead and run this right here so you guys can see. All right, so let me just do this. All right, so while it's downloading, I'm going to go back on this list of apps and wait for these to download. So first time I do that, Heart Radio, and I just have to run it for a little bit, you know, just do some basic interactions, touching around, whatever, nothing too hard. So I'm just going to go ahead and run this right here, as you guys can see. All right, making an account, pretty simple stuff, you know, nothing too crazy. All right, so we just go ahead and do this right here, as you guys can see. All right, yeah, just typing the email. Super easy, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this right here, as you guys can see. All right, yep, so easy, guys. So anyways, let's go ahead and do the other app now, which is the TikTok. So I'm just going to go ahead and run this right here, as you guys can see. All right, and let's go ahead and do the other one, which is the TikTok. I'm just going to go ahead and run this right here, as you guys can see. Just doing some basic interactions. Super easy, guys. Literally nothing to it. So I'm just going to go ahead and run this right here, as you guys can see. All right, super simple. Literally nothing to it. So I'm just running this right here, as you guys can see. All right. So pretty much done with this app, guys. So let's see if we're rich. I'm not sure we're rich, but we're going to find out in a second. I'm going to just open up the game, and we're rich, guys. So be sure to go and try it out for yourself. Get the word out. I'm blown away. It actually works, guys, but it does. So if this video worked to you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it and get the word out about this method. It's super insane. So this video worked to you guys. I hope you guys will get all your friends to know about this method, guys, because it is super crazy. It actually works, and you can be super rich with this tutorial. See you later. Peace out.